Dana has our full look at the forecast. It was brisk out there, and
yeah.
Godspeed to Ryan Breton, who actually went skiing in that cold today.
I know yesterday he was telling me, he was like, I don't think, like, we're going up for the weekend. I don't think I'm going to ski tomorrow. Like, it's just going to be too cold. And then I saw his picture with like the 12-degree timestamp on the top of the mountain. And I was like, you know what? If you're there,
give it your shot.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah. What's the saying? It's like, there's no such thing as cold weather, only bad clothing.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So, you know, if you got good clothing, then I guess it's not cold.
Enjoy the weather then. Yeah.
That's fair.
True. It's not going to be cold like this forever, though. So today, obviously, very cold. Here were our high temperatures for the day, and if you made it into the 20s, you were rare. It got to 20 in Sanford and Portland, but only 17 in Augusta, 14 in Bangor, and lowest spot on the map here, only 3 degrees for a high in Rangeley today. And it was also quite windy, especially in the afternoon. Got wind gusts between 25 and 35 miles per hour. So with the wind combined with those cold temperatures, you know what that means. Those wind chill temperatures were even more brisk. However, it was very nice outside. Despite the cold, we did have a lot of sunshine, though we're starting to see a little bit of cloud cover move into other areas of New England, usually a sign that some changes are on the way. And that's definitely true because we have a couple of systems to talk about for the next coming days. So overnight tonight, it is still going to be pretty cold in most places because that cloud cover isn't really going to build up until really around midnight. It's going to come with a couple of snow showers. Overall here, not really expecting that much snow shower activity, and if anything, will maybe accumulate a dusting to about an inch. So overall, most of these snow showers will be from about midnight to about sunrise. So overall, I do think the morning commute does look pretty good, though there might be a couple of snow showers hanging around in areas of northern and eastern Maine as we get closer to that morning commute time. And then we actually have a second system to talk about for Friday, but this one is going to be overall larger and a lot trickier too. So it's going to mostly impact areas of southern and western Maine, but it's really going to depend on the location of that center of low pressure. The timing here is going to be, this is about Friday at 3 p.m. Here, we're going to start off with some rain showers because it will be kind of just a little bit warm enough to get that unfrozen precipitation. And then we'll transition to some snow as we get a little bit later. So this is a look at Friday at 8 p.m. So overall, I would say in southern Maine, the evening commute on Friday is going to be kind of borderline. So I would say just take it slow, leave yourself another 10-15 minutes. And then this system will kind of continue to see some of that snow shower activity move on to about midnight. And then by early Saturday morning, that snow will have cleared out. We'll have a lot of sunshine for the afternoon Saturday. But this system overall is going to be highly dependent on how far north that precipitation shield can move, meaning how much snow are we going to see. European model here only puts about an inch down in some places, especially in Portland, but the other model, GFS model that we like to look at, puts about 2 to 3 inches down, and really it depends on how far north that system moves. So overall for our snow map here, because this system has been so tricky, we have moved that 1 to 3 down significantly, and it might actually even need to be chipped away even more. Your best chance of some of that accumulating snow is going to be in areas of southwestern Maine, and then really any area north of Augusta near Bangor, looking at a coating to maybe an inch in some spots. So overall, this system is not going to be super large. And then for Sunday, we have another clipper system that we're watching here. Looks pretty good at this time. Might drop down about an inch to about 3 inches, and that'll be a Sunday afternoon into early Monday morning. Marine forecast sees 3 to 7 feet gale warning in effect for early on Friday. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, Friday ends up kind of having 2 different systems, one in the beginning of the day, one in the afternoon. Overall, I would say best chance of snow is going to be in the kind of southern quarter of the state. Then we end up with a lot of clearing for the first half of the weekend. And then Brian and Amanda, we have another clipper system. That's the one from kind of Sunday night into Monday, maybe giving us about 2 to 3 inches there. So we're kind of chipping away at the winter snow like an inch or 2 at a time. Yeah. So I'm kind of missing the good like blockbuster storms.
I think a few people are.
Yeah.
But this is one way to do it.
Yeah, for the snow lovers, I feel like not as fun, but for the snow haters, I feel like it's a decent winter.
Fair. Dana, thank you.